Hey guys, welcome back. In my last video, we created a bunch of herbal simple syrups, and today I want to show you how to use those simple syrups to create yummy mocktails. And it is summer, and I really like something sparkly and bubbly, very refreshing. So I decided to make 4 of the mocktails: Lavender Lime Sparkler, Raspberry Rose Bubbly, Hibiscus Elderberry Spritzer, and Pompeii Mocktail. And don't worry about recipes. I will post the link below this video. You can go to my blog and print all the recipes for all these mocktails. And I guess it's a party time. Let's start with Lavender Lime Sparkler. So I'll get this glass. So all what we need. So basically, the all the sparklers that I have in my list, they have one one recipe. It is a simple syrup, then some form of acidity like lime juice or lemon juice, and sparkling water. And you can garnish that with some fruits or lime or lemon on the top, and that's it. But they taste absolutely different. So they very yummy, but every simple syrup has very unique taste. So this is the Lavender Lime Sparkler. I put a little ice in there. And for this one, I'm gonna use, this is the Herbal ice cubes I created. This one is, see how beautiful it is? It's kind of a dark purple. This one made with butterfly pea flowers. This is it. They kind of right here. They have this dark blue color, and you could just make it a regular tea, like 1 teaspoon of flowers on a cup of water, and cool it down. And then I added like a ½ teaspoon of the lemon juice, and it turned that blue to purple. And then you put it in the ice form and freeze it, and it's just delicious. And it has basically, it doesn't have much flavor, but it adds this amazing color, and especially for the lavender, it's gonna be amazing. So for this one, for the mocktail, I basically need like a 1 tablespoon. It depends how much, how sweet do you like your mocktail. So I don't like too much sugar, so I add 1 tablespoon of the syrup. You can add like 1½ tablespoons, or 2 is probably too sweet. And for this one, we're gonna add lime juice. And lime juice is also 1 tablespoon, or I like a little more on the sour side, so I'll add 1½. And you could just add 1 and try. And I kind of like to mix it first, because when lavender syrup is in the fridge, it becomes really, really thick. So you just need to stir that yumminess. And we'll just add the sparkling water. Add a little lime inside, and maybe 1 on the side too, just like that. Look at this color. Look how beautiful it is. Yes, let me try this. Cheers. Oh, so good. Very rich lavender taste, flavor, and a little kiss of the lime, of course. So here it is, your Lavender Lime Sparkler. Let's make next one is Raspberry Rose Bubbly. Okay, for this one, we also need a little ice, couple cubes. The syrup is nice and pink. So we will need a kind of a tablespoon. I like this one is a little runnier, so I add like 1.5 maybe, or just a little more than 1 tablespoon. And this goes with lemon juice. I'll add 1.5 also, and a little sparkly water. And maybe I'll kind of mix it a little bit. And for this one, I want to add 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon of the bitters. I make my bitters, my own bitters. This one is angelica root, dandelion root, bitter orange peel, and lemon peel. So it's, of course, you cannot give it to kids, but it's for adults. It's very, very small amount of alcohol. It's like you won't even taste it, but you will taste the bitters. So, and this one will garnish with lemon, kind of on the side, and maybe a few raspberries. And if you have some rose petals, like live, or I can put like my, oh gosh, it smells so good. And it's like, it looks so pretty. You can put that. And this is your raspberry Rose Bubbly. Look at that. Look how beautiful it is. Delicious. Here are those two. Next one is Hibiscus Elderberry Spritzer. I like those names. So, like, this one is one of my favorite. It has this rich, very deep red color. Oop. Open this. So we'll put probably a tablespoon. Oh, look how good it is. Yummy. This one goes with the lime. One and a half tablespoon of lime. Add the sparkly water. I'll mix it first because it's very thick too. So you kind of want all this yumminess to dissolve. Look how it has like this hue on the bottom. Yeah, you really want to kind of mix it. We'll add some lime right there. Very, very good. Look at this color. This will be good for Halloween too. It's coming. So this is your another Hibiscus Elderberry Spritzer. And the last one is the Pompeii Mocktail, which I like the cocktail version, honestly. So I'll add ice first. Okay, this one comes with orange juice. So I add the Hibiscus Elderberry syrup. It's 1 tablespoon. Look how beautiful it is. Okay. Then probably half tablespoon of the lemon juice. And if you have a freshly squeezed orange juice, that would be the best. But I'm using one from Trader Joe's. And you just slowly put the orange juice, and it will look amazing. So this is it. Maybe this one, just a little garnish with a little orange. You can put it like this. Look on the bottom, it's like so beautiful. So you can add like 30 milliliters of vodka or white rum. That goes really well with that. Look, looks like a blood. Ooh. So we can put the nice straw and mix it. Oh my God, this is so yummy. Cheers, guys. I hope you will try these mocktails. They're so super yummy, even without alcohol. And your kids can drink it if they want. You can make them with club soda, with tonics, with sparkly water. Experiment with them, and let me know which one you are excited to make it first, or if you make them. So let me know how they taste. So enjoy the rest of the summer. I love you, and I'll see you next time.